Are you struggling to diversify your crypto portfolio as a beginner? Don't you worry. These 3 baskets from Unocoin's crypto basket feature have got you covered. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, dear audience. Today we are going to talk about crypto baskets that are best suited for beginners. So let's get started. First, we have the beginner's basket. It's structured to offer exposure to some of the largest crypto assets by market cap, which includes Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. The initial basket's allocation is evenly split among 3 coins, with each coin receiving 33.33% of the total allocation. Second, we have the stablecoin basket. We have assembled a group of leading stablecoins that contribute liquidity within the DeFi ecosystem, determined by their market capitalization. Stablecoins have gained popularity in the last year as a means to protect against the ups and downs in the cryptocurrency world. Over the past few years, stablecoins in our collection have experienced substantial growth, with many coins in the basket recording gains exceeding 5%. Here you can see that each coin has a specific percentage allocated to it. Third, and our bestseller basket is the blue chip basket. A blue chip stock is considered to be a safe and stable investment with a long track record of consistent growth and profitability. The term blue chip is thought to have originated from poker, where the highest valued chip is typically colored blue. Here there are multiple coins with specific percentage allocated to each of them. One of the key features of our basket is that you can unselect any particular coin that you don't want to include, and the percentage allocation would be adjusted accordingly. These baskets are a boon for your portfolio. Go get yours now at no extra cost. Download the Unocoin app today.